Indonesia, we have Miss Diah Triuntari and Miss Sika Zulian Sadewi. And then from Vietnam, we have Miss Hong Du Yen, yes, Miss Jade, Miss Ngangu Yen, and Miss Tau Du Yen. And then from the Philippines, we have Mr. Ramon and Miss Diana. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this is a facilitating class, yeah, and we will learn together. Yeah, so let me try to share screen first. Yes, okay, wait first. Yeah, and everyone, please feel free, yeah. If you can open your camera, please do so. But if you cannot, then it's okay. And okay, oh yeah. And then yeah, if you want to open your mic, yeah, it's also okay. Remember here, we are here to make friends. We are here to learn together, yeah. And you can just share, yeah. So it won't be as formal like in the webinar or in the training. Okay, so here we just share. Okay, and we have more people coming. Oh, okay, from Vietnam we have more. Miss Tan, Miss Trin. Okay, and also, oh, hello, Miss Trin. Nice to see you. Okay, and then we also have more. Oh, Miss Siti Nurhasana, Miss Jumiati. Okay, hello, Miss Jumi. How are you, Miss Jumiati? All right. Okay, now let me start from how to register the British Council, yeah. Okay, and remember if you have anything to say, yeah, just say it, okay. Just open your microphone. And then this one, wait, my screen. Oh, so, oh yeah, this one, yeah, the screen. Oh, this is, yes, share. Oh, okay. This, oh, okay. Wait first. Okay, now let me copy paste first. Okay, so uh, as an early start, yeah, if you have not made the account, yeah, we have to go to the account first. Okay, let's check on the chat. Yeah, so I will copy paste the website. Yeah, so the first step is you have to go to the British Council website. Yeah, www.teachingenglish.org.uk. Okay. And yeah, wait, now I share screen. Yes. Oh yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, now I'm opening my share screen. Yes. Okay, could you see my screen, everyone? Thumbs up.
Yep, I can
Yeah,
see it.
okay, thank you. Right, okay, here. We will start first from making the account, okay? So for those who do not yet have the account, yeah, so you have to make the account first. Okay, so I have to log out first. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay, I have already made an account, yeah. But for those who haven't, okay, please take a look at my screen, yeah. If you do not have the account, you have to go to www.teachingenglish.org.uk. ya. Okay, this is the address, and then you will find this page, and then you have to click register. Okay, and then when you have click register, you will see this, yeah, you will see this page. So create new account. Okay, so first step, you have to choose file, yeah. You just choose a picture, yeah, it can be your picture or maybe a picture of just background, it's also okay, yeah, it is up to you. Just picture, okay, choose file, and then fill in your email address, and then the username, yeah, and then write down your password. Okay, now for the username, you can use full stops, hyphens, apostrophes, underlines, numbers, yeah, and at. Okay, but you cannot use spaces. And then for password, you have to provide a password for the new account in both fields, yeah. Okay, and then after that you write down your name, your first name, and then your second name. Okay. Hello, Ibu Sri, Ibu Sri Nastuti. And then you write down your country and phone number, yeah, and then click email notification, and then you click again, I am age 18 or over, and click accept terms of use, and then click create new account. Okay, right. Is there any questions on how to make the account? Ibu Sri, have you made the British Council account?
I have already registered.
Oh, okay. You have the account. Okay, right. Okay, now let's check. Okay. Yeah. Is there any questions on how to make the account? No, not yet. Right. Okay. In that case, if you do not have any questions, yeah, let's go to the next step, yeah. Okay, so now let us assume that you all have the account, yeah. And if you have already had the account, it means you only need to click log in, yeah. Okay, log in here. Okay, wait, still loading. Okay, if you have any questions, you can turn on your microphone, yeah, or you can click chat, yeah. What's the matter? Oh, okay. Right. Okay, if you have already clicked, if you have had your account, you can just log in. Okay, and for me, I usually save, yeah, so I do not need to type again my username. Okay, so like this, it is automatically shown. So I have my username and my password, and just click log in. And usually I will have to wait for CAPTCHA first. Okay, and then when I have the CAPTCHA, not yet. One more time. Nah, this one. It's a matter with the CAPTCHA. Wait. Wait. I don't have the captcha. Okay, login password and not yet captcha. Captcha. Oh, okay, this one. Oh, okay, this one. Yeah, okay. And then you have the captcha, yeah. And you click, I am not a robot. You have to do this. Usually you have to tick, yeah. Select all images with motorcycles. This one. Is it this one also? Oh. Okay, and verify. Yeah, okay. And then we can click login. Yeah. Okay, now after that, okay, log in. Wait. Okay, okay. After you have the login, yeah, you go to my portfolio. Okay, this is the courses. Oh, yeah, this one. Mhm. Okay. Hello, Miss Tuingan. Oh, alah. Oh, wait. Hmm.
I have already login, Miss.
Yes. Oh, login. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
And then
I have
after,
already. And then?
yes. Okay. After login, it means you could start for enrolling the activity. Okay. Wait. Okay. So it will be. Wait. Okay. Let me try. Okay, let me change my Wi-Fi first. Okay, let me check. Okay, after login, you click my portfolio. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. After click my portfolio, you will find the course.
yeah, yeah. I already in it. What should I do next?
Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me share again. Yeah. Okay, for me, actually, I have already enrolled and I have actually already completed it. But you do not have to be worried. I will repeat it again for you. Okay. So, if you have already had the account, okay, let me open again. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, should we start from here again? Yeah. Okay, so if you have that, nah, you can directly go to my course here, yeah, my
Okay,
courses,
okay,
and then can click enroll in courses.
okay,
Okay, and then enroll
okay,
in
done.
courses. You find
Okay,
many courses, yeah, and you just find
yeah,
digital competences for teaching English.
okay,
Okay. And then when you find it, just enroll in activity. Okay. For me, I
okay,
have already selected it. Yeah, that's why it doesn't appear. Okay, so have you found it?
No, I thought I have already enrolled to the
Oh,
activity,
okay,
but
you
there
have
is no
already
more
enrolled.
for
Yes.
digital. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So if you have already enrolled, yeah, remember you only need to select this, yeah, find the course and then click enroll in activity. And then after
Yeah.
that, yeah, you just need to go to my
Yeah.
courses here, yeah, and then in my courses, nah, okay, here. Okay, for example, like this, yeah. Okay, so everyone, you have you have seen digital competences for teaching English, yes?
Yes.
Okay, thumbs up ya, everyone. Ya. Click start course. Right. Okay, now
Yeah. Start the
after
course.
clicking start course, okay. Yeah, Mr. Ramonito have already done module 1. Okay, so actually he's accompanying us. Okay, and Mr. Ramon, please feel free to share tips and tricks, strategies, and also your progress. Okay, right. Okay. So we have to finish start from introduction, and then after that we can go to module 1. Okay, for introduction, if you want you can download the workbook, but if not you can start directly. Now here you have to click details, this one. Nah, so you have to open all, if you want to complete. Okay. Okay. After you click that, you will see this. This is about the description of the program. Okay. And then after that, you click continue. Okay. And then you will go to the next part. And for this online course, you can do on the laptop, but you can also do on your cell phone, because for me, sometimes I also use it. I also do it on my cell phone. Okay, now here, this is about preview first, before you do the lessons, so it is about your needs and goals. Okay, so you have to read it, and then this is the introduction, so before we go to the course, there are some questions that you can answer, okay, and you can write it down on your notes. Okay, for example, like this question, as a learner, which of the following aspects are most important to you? Okay. Yeah. How about from, okay, Miss Untari? Yeah, do you have any questions?
Okay. Oh, but Miss, I want to ask, how
Miss
where
Sri.
can we
Okay,
find
yes.
the question, Miss? I've already checked. Continue. There is no question.
No,
Or
just this
in
one, the note
module.
taking, but you do not have to write here. So it is only like the note taking,
Oh.
and here when you are reading, you can see that it is actually the module is being interactive and it is a reflective questions. Yeah, so it is asking about your opinion, but you do not need to write down your answer. Okay. Okay. Right, and then this one again. Yeah, so yeah, it means that as a introduction, yeah, before going to the main one, you can also think about this and you can take notes, yeah, about this. Okay, in that case, nah, this one there is a video, yeah. Nah, and then you don't have to be worried, yeah. For example, you don't have a stable internet connection, or you cannot watch the video, you can just go directly and you can see the video transcript, yeah. So now you can just click video transcript and you will know what this is about, yeah. So you can watch the video or you can just read the video transcript. Right. So it explained about the description of teaching English training courses. Yeah. Okay. Right. Nah, and then for this one, it is a question. You have to answer. Okay. So how many is it? Let's see. How many elements are there to a teaching English training experience? Mr. Ramon? 5. Okay. Okay, still remember. Let's take 5. Yeah. Okay, and submit. Yeah, okay, correct. Okay, so in the module, yeah, you will find quizzes like this, yeah. Uh, and if, for example, it is wrong, yeah, you can take again the quiz. Okay, and then the next one again. Which elements enable you to connect with others? Okay, more than one correct answer. Okay, which one? Okay, let's see from here, yeah. Elements. Okay, for that we can see the elements. Which one is it? Oh, this one, yeah. Nah, this is the key, yeah. 5 elements, and then we have modules, community, yeah, workbook and resource pack, certificate, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and teacher development session recordings. Yeah, okay. So it means the answer, let's check. Core modules, yeah. Live events, community, workbook, and certificate. Okay, is it right? No, no, no. No, 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 it's wrong. Let's see. Wait. Nah, if it's wrong, we can take again. Okay. So it will be live events and community, yeah, because it's only about enable you to connect with others. Let's check. Yes, okay. Okay, and then how many hours? 12? 12 hours?
I think the answer is it's up to you.
Oh yeah, it's up to you. Okay. Yes, right. So it is a self-learning, yeah. So on average, it will take 12 hours, but actually it can be faster, yeah. And then it may be even longer, yeah. But on average, it can be 12 hours, and since it is self-learning, yeah, it's more on us, yeah. We decide actually. Okay, and then right. Okay, and there is also about reflection here, yeah. So if you want, you can also answer this, and then you can note down your answer on your notes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, already 30 minutes. Okay, let's just go directly ya. Okay, wait, 2 of 3. Nah, okay. And then, the next one, this is about online learning. Okay, this is still note taking, yeah. So you can do it if you want, yeah. And then you can write down about the ideas on your note. Okay. Oh yeah, right. And then aside from video, yeah, actually it can also be in form of audio, yeah. So you can also improve your listening, not only using the video but also using audio. And if you cannot listen to the audio, here you also have the transcript. Yeah, you can click the transcript. Okay, and then you can read this if you want to read the transcript, and you
em bé anh đẹp biết những chỗ rồi đó nè.
can answer ya. So let's see. So the Sangitas tips, let's see, mainly focus on check the schedule and then think about So which one is it? Planning
It's
and
more on
organizing.
planning and organizing your time.
Yes.
No, no.
Yes.
I think it's preparing.
Preparing. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's more on preparing. Yeah.
Okay.
I remember
Preparing.
my answer was
Okay.
preparing.
I think
Okay.
preparing those how to learn.
Okay. Let's try.
Kinh doanh chứ đâu phải là công ty nội bộ.
Planning and organizing your time. Okay.
It's planning.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Take again. This one, yeah. Planning and organizing your time. Yeah. Okay, so everyone, just feel free if you want to open your microphone, it's okay. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, let's try again. From Chris, still about online learning strategies. Okay, it is about tips on effective online learning. So we can learn by audio, let's try.
Em bình tĩnh để giải thích nè. Anh đang cần một cái tâm sự. Anh có gia đình rồi, nhưng em không muốn có bồ. Anh chỉ muốn chu cấp cho một cô bé sẽ thoải mái. Nếu khi chị đi học, đi chơi, nhưng khi nào anh gọi thì bé sẽ tới. Rồi anh thanh tịnh.
Okay, so based on the audio and transcript, what is the focus of the tips on effective online learning from Chris? So it's more about knowing our goals, recognizing the progress, and also preparing distraction-free study space and monitor self-talk. Okay, and then, okay, so it means
Preparing yourself to learn.
Preparing,
this one.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Next one. Okay, this is about the summary. Okay, so okay. The headings for a summary, yes. Consider which we already do, which we are going to try, and which we would like to try. Okay, right. Okay, and then for the online strategies, okay. So the first one, we have to be clear about our goals. We have to prepare our study space, look after ourselves, monitor our self-talk, and know where to get help. Okay, right. And then in online learning, yeah, we have to plan and organizing our time by setting our reminders. Okay, so that's why I hope this facilitating class, yeah, can help us so that we can set our time, yeah, and we can learn together, yeah. So we can plan our time. Okay, we can study regularly. Okay, and oh yeah, connection. Yes, we have to consider our internet connection, and hopefully we can use our ideas, yeah, into our teaching classroom. Yeah. Okay, this is the end of unit 1. Okay. Right. Okay, 100%, yeah. Okay, now after this, everyone, when you have finished a unit, yeah, then yeah, you can just click here back. Okay. Right. Okay, and then after finish unit 1, then we'll go to unit 2. Nah, and then in unit 2, now we just click the details. Details here. Okay, nah, and then when you go to this one, yeah, just click continue. Okay, action continue. Right. I think for this I will make it quite faster, yeah, than the previous one. Okay, because we want. Oh. Oh, wait, sorry. I have to reshare screen. Okay, wait. Which one? Oh, this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, now this is unit 2. Yeah. Okay, I think we will go faster here. Okay, this is still about online training. Yeah, it means to prepare us. Yeah, because we are going to do our online course. Here you can have explanation about these image descriptions. Okay, and then there will be core modules. Yeah, in this course we have 3 core modules. Yes, and then the core modules have been designed, yeah, so that the modules can help us to understand about the topic of each course. Okay, and then right, the next one again. Oh yeah, there is an explanation about this platform. Okay, this one, yeah. So this is about how we can access the teaching resources, yeah, publication and professional development materials, and also how to log in to our teaching English account or create one. Yeah. Okay. Actually, we have already done this. Yeah. Okay. So here we could just do it first. Okay. Nah. Okay. So the same like before. Yeah. So we have to answer. Yeah. All of the questions. Yeah. Okay. And go down again. Yeah. Okay. So you have to finish all first. Okay, and then we have to finish until we go to the review, right? Okay. And then in the end, you will have the score like this, yeah. And to pass this, you must have minimum 60%, right? Okay, after you have finished this one, you need to, we go back again. Right, and then we have to finish unit 3. Now, this is the last one, yeah. The same step, everyone, yeah. Details, click the details. So you have to ensure that all units are completed. Okay, this one is also the same, yeah. So here you have to click actions, view. If you have view, then you can complete it. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay, if you have click view, you can go back. Yeah. And then after that, you have to go again. Yeah. This one, oh, it means it has to be view. Then you have to click view, right? Okay. Okay. So you have to view it first. And then after that, you click back. Okay. And then if it says like here, download, yeah. So you also have to click download, yeah, so that you can make this completed. So click download, and then you will download the file. And this one is the same, yeah. For workbooks and resource pack, you have to click view first. Okay, yeah, this is the workbook. And then click back again. And to complete it, then you also have to click download. Yeah. Okay. See. This one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, if all are already view and download, then you can go back again. Okay. So right. Yeah. We still have 15 minutes. Now, after this, it means that you have finished the introduction. Yeah. So you have finished if all the status is completed. Yeah. Okay. Now after this, let's go to module 1. Okay. Any questions? No, not yet. Okay. Remember, you can ask. You can write it down on the chat or you can ask directly. Okay. Nah, this one for module 1, the same, yeah, like before. So we have to start, yeah, we can start from unit 1, click the details. Okay, and here we have to click again, continue. Okay, now we are already in module 1. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my content is still on. Nah, this one, yeah. So everyone, it means for this section, yeah, you have 5 sections here, yeah. It means the first part is about digital technologies in the language classroom. The next one is about using digital resources to teach mediation. And then the next one is using digital resources to teach reformulation, adding value with digital technologies. And the last one, we will have the review. Okay, yeah, we have to click this one first. Nah, okay. Yeah, okay, so we can start from so here you will have an explanation about digital technologies in the language classroom, right? Okay, so this is about digital technologies, yeah, but in the context of the teaching of foreign languages. Okay, and then here there is also a mind map. Okay, right? So in the classroom, we use all the digital technologies, including devices, resources, the content creation tools, as well as the online spaces here. Okay, so you will have all the description here. And then aside from the review, yeah, doing and solving the questions, yeah, you will have the reflection. Okay, now if you can choose this based on your experience, there is no right or wrong about this. Yeah, you can choose like just one, just two, or all the choices. It's okay. Okay, and then like this, we will have some questions to be answered, yeah, using audio, and also you can also check the transcript, and then you will be able to answer it. Nah, okay. Okay, let me check your progress first, yeah, because the most important is you know how to do the course. Okay, let's see. We have people here. Okay, we have already had 17, 18 people. Okay, how's your progress, everyone? Can you follow?
I haven't done yet, Miss Susi, because
Yes.
my smartphone was so difficult for me to
Oh,
maybe tomorrow. I have a half for the section one, but
yes.
I think I must hear the or the in the reflection.
In the fashion?
Recording, yeah.
Yeah.
But I can use it because I use smartphone. Maybe later on after
Maybe.
this webinar. I
Webinar.
complete this course maybe.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, it's okay, Ibu. Okay, so yeah, my job is actually to make sure that you understand all the steps, yeah. And then our team, we can monitor your progress, yeah. So if you have any problems, you can contact us, yeah, and then you can chat us, yeah, or you can also later share when we see again, yeah, on tomorrow sessions. Okay, any other? Okay, so which one? Oh, sorry. Oh, I have to go back to here. Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, anyone would like again? Anyone would like to share again? Not yet? Okay, how about from Mr. Ramon? How about Mr. Ramon? So, how about your progress in module 1? So, you have completed
Uh,
module 1?
Hello, Miss Susie
Yes,
and
hello.
everyone. Now I
Mhm.
realize it's actually not module one, but when I look at my account, it's just unit one. Unit
Oh,
one in introduction. Sorry,
introduction.
I thought I already finished module one, but now when you uh showed us the,
Uh,
how do you call that, the tabs, so
the tabs.
I was only able to finish the unit one in introduction. That's why when I look at the progress, it's only
Uh,
6%.
okay, still
Sorry.
6%. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's only
Yeah.
6%.
It's
Yeah, so
okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So everyone, you can check your progress on how many percents that you have completed based on the progress tab. Okay. So if you have finished like one module, so it means you will get like about 20 or 25%, So you just have to ensure that you have finished some sections. Okay. Right, but it's okay, Please remember that there will be no punishment, no, and we will not um, ask you to hurry up, but we will monitor your progress, so that we can ensure that you can complete the modules. And for module 1, so there are 5 sections, yes, and you can have the materials on the module, and you can also see that you will have some questions, for review. Right. Okay, so we still have 6 minutes. Okay, maybe Miss Vico, maybe you would like to share with us. How about you? Have you already done the online course? Which part, Miss Vico?
Okay, I'm sorry, Miss Susie, because
It's okay.
um I have not yet opened the course because my schedule is a bit tight. So I think
Oh yeah, it's
maybe
okay.
this week or next week I will try to complete my task.
Oh, okay. But do you have the British Council account, Miss Vico?
Yes, I already have.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, in that case, you just need to enroll the activity,
Yeah, I
Okay.
just read the apa tuh introduction, but the
Oh,
model,
introduction.
yeah, the model I have not finished it or
Okay.
done it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. So, because we just have 5 minutes left. So everyone, you can do it in many hours, For example, like 12 hours, but you can also make it faster. Okay, because like just we have done today, we have already finished the introduction, right? Okay, so actually it is not very difficult, So you do not need to read everything, and you do not need to watch the video or listening all audio, because you can also read the transcript, and then please be reminded, that if you give the wrong answers, you can always go back again and you can re-answer again, so you do not have to be worried, so I'm sure you can finish all of the sections, yes, You just need to allocate time for this. Yes. And then you just do it one by one, right? Because actually if we allocate our time, for example, 30 minutes until 1 hour, then actually it is enough, yeah. So I think ideal for this, if you make a schedule, yeah, it should not be more than 6 hours, yeah. I think you can do it faster. Okay, yeah. So the module 1, yeah, is like this. So you have to finish one by one, right? Nah, okay, and then you can see, for example, if this part like 3 of 5, yeah, it means you will still need to scroll down, yeah, and you will have to finish until the last part of review. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, and we also have like this, yeah. So it's very interactive. So you can also click this, nah, and you can have the information. Click this one for the second slide, but you can also click this to flip, and you can have the details, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, and everyone, okay, please also be please be reminded that this is sharing, yeah. So you can always open your camera, open your mic, and then you can see from all the participants here. Oh, okay. Yeah. We can see that here we have participants from Indonesia, we have participants from the Philippines, and participants from Vietnam. Yeah. So please use this so you can use your English. Yeah, that's number one. And then for the second one, you can use this for expand your network. Yeah. So for example, later in your class, if you want to have a global classroom, you can connect your students in Indonesia with the students in Vietnam. Yeah. And you can have a global classrooms. And for the online course, we will facilitate you. Yeah. So for example, if we cannot finish the module 1 tonight, then you can do it by your own pace, and you can also chat our team. Yeah. So you do not have to be worried. And we will guide you, we will monitor you along the journey. Okay, and there is one last question from Mr. Ramon. He wants to ask, okay, will I give the timeline for each module, or it would be up to you when to finish the entire course? Okay, so for the timeline, actually it is up to you. Yeah, you can do it by yourself, but please be remember that on March 2026, the course will be closed. So if the course is closed, you cannot get the certificate. So please do before 24 March 2026. Okay, and then for the timeline, if it's possible, yeah, you can follow our facilitating class, yeah. And then in each of our sessions, you can share about your progress. And then And then we can also do it together. So if you find like difficult section, we can do it together, or we can just have discussions. Yeah, it's also possible. Okay. So for the facilitating class, for every course, we will provide 3 times facilitating classes. So please join. Yeah, it is free invitation for everyone. You can come join us and you can share. And also, if you need to chat us, the team, please just chat us and tell us what do you need. We will help you. And later when it is already 1 month, yeah, when it is already 1 month, we will guide you for another course. Yeah. So later after 1 month, in the next February, maybe in the middle of February, yeah, we will guide you again to enroll different courses. Yeah, so we want you to have as many certificates of online courses as many as possible. Yeah. Okay. Right. And then for modules 2, yes, okay, for modules 2, we will do it again together tomorrow on 7 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Is there any other questions? Okay, so Miss Yasmin, Mr. Ramonito, Miss Jade, Miss Untari, Miss Jumi, Miss Ngan, Miss Sika, ya, Miss Diana, Miss Trin, Miss Dang, Miss Tien, Miss Najmi, Miss Nguyen, and Miss Hoa. Yeah, I hope I can see you again tomorrow. Yeah, and you can share about your progress. Yeah, and we can start again tomorrow, and we will learn together. Yeah, if we can start from module 2, okay, but if we start again from module 1, it's also okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so thank you everyone, and wait, let me have the photo together. Okay, so for you who can open your camera, please do so. Okay, thank you, Miss Untari, and we will have a photo session. Yeah. Okay, okay, Miss Untari, you have open your camera. Miss Vico, yeah. Okay, if you can open camera, okay, please open your camera. Okay, let's have a picture together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wait. Let me, yes. Let me paste it first. Right. Okay. So it is up to you, yeah, when you will finish the course. But our team will facilitate you, yeah, and we will monitor your progress. Okay, hello, Miss Nguyen. Nice to see you again. Right? Okay, so tomorrow I will see you again, and we can start, yeah, either from module 1 or module 2. It's okay. So we just try to learn together, and hopefully we can complete this course, yeah, before the mid of February, before we go to another course. Okay, thank you, and you can chat our team at any time. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss Susie.